us talk about special cases when you're taking the derivative. For example, if you have y equals to x to power x, and I ask you to find the limit of y as x goes to 0, you're going to say that, hey, by substitution, I get 0 to power 0, which is actually indeterminate form. So what should we do here? We need to make some adjustments. Take ln of both sides. This is our very first step. So ln of y becomes ln of x to power x. Remember that if you have ln of, for example, a to power b, it is b times ln of a. You can just bring the exponent to the front of ln. So ln of y becomes x ln of x. Now let us do a little bit of algebra. Remember that if you have a times b, you can, for example, write it as a divided by 1 over b. You can flip this and you get the exact same multiplication back. But for the sake of this problem, we're going to write ln of y as ln of x divided by 1 over x. Why? Because if we take the limit of ln of x divided by 1 over x as x goes to 0, you have ln of 0 divided by 1 over 0. ln of 0, remember the graph of ln, as x approaches to 0, the y value goes to negative infinity. So you have negative infinity divided by 1 over 0, which is infinity. We can actually apply the L'Hopital's rule. So ln of y is equal to the limit, we are taking the limit of both sides as x goes to 0, the derivative of ln of x divided by the derivative of 1 over x. This guy is equal to the limit of the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x divided by the derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared as x goes to 0. Let us simplify this before taking the limit again. So you can flip x squared, you get negative x squared divided by x as x goes to 0, which is limit of minus x as x goes to 0, which is nothing but 0. Guys, note that on the left hand side, I have limit of ln. I don't have y anymore. I converted y into ln of y. So it says, hey, the limit of ln of y as x goes to 0 is 0. It means that ln of y is 0, but ln of y is log with base e of y, which is 0 by definition of log. Y is e to power 0, or y is 1. This is our answer. So the limit of y as x goes to 0 is 1.